Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a homemade mango ice cream with no ice cream maker. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so first you need 2 large mangoes, ripe and juicy. And now I'm cutting the mangoes in my hand, doing it the yard girl style, so do be careful. So you do need 2 ripe mangoes. Okay, so the first step you guys need to do is dice the fresh mango like you see me here doing in the video. Okay, now I'm going to puree this using a blender, food processor. Hopefully you should measure about 2 cups of mango puree after it's been diced and pureed. Okay, so now you're going to pour your puree into a non-stick pan on a medium-low heat. You're going to cook it and constantly stir it for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it's reduced by half. To test it, when it's done, you can drag a wooden spoon or a spatula in the path and it should remain there for a few seconds. You should measure out the puree about 1 cup once you finish. And once that's done, you should leave it and let it cool, completely cool, before you move on to the next step. Okay, so now it's time to do the cream. So I'm using whipping cream. You can use whipping cream or heavy cream. So you're gonna whip your cream together with a handheld mixer or a stand mixer until you see stiff peaks form. Once you see stiff peaks of form, that means the cream is ready. So there's no need to over whisk. So once you see some stiff peaks, that means your cream is ready. All list of ingredients will be in the description box below, so please check that out. Okay, so the next step is combine the cool mango and the condensed milk in a bowl. You can add some food coloring if you're using some, and then just whisk it to combine it together. Okay, so now you need to pour the mango mix into the cream. You want to fold it through rather than mixing it until it's lump free. This will take a few minutes, but it's worth it because you don't want to lose all that air that you got into the cream. So take your time and fold the mixture in until it's lump free. Okay, so now you need to pour it into a container. I'm pouring mine into a baking tray. I recommend to use glass or something that's got a lid. I'm gonna wrap mine with a cling wrap and place it in the freezer for about 12 hours, and then your ice cream should be ready. Okay guys, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Leave your comments, all are welcome, and you can also give me any suggestion of other videos you'd like me to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.